Okay, so welcome to second episode of again. So welcome to second episode, morning money coffee talk, and I will make coffee, and I will answer the question which was on Reddit, and it was about dividends and etoro. Basically, that guy was asking if there is some fee like 30% on dividend, and if he should use etoro as a broker. So I answer him that I cannot recommend etoro because basically it doesn't work, this platform. We have long relationship with etoro. Actually, I test many investments and many platforms, even if I think it's stupid idea, but I test it anyway because I can be wrong. And yeah. So I will went back to etoro. Sorry, the cat, so I need to cut it. She was interested what we are doing here, even the dog. I will show them in next episodes. And back to etoro. Basically, friend, he was working in Goldman Sachs, and they should evaluate this company for like investors and for maybe IPO. And basically, they audit this company, and they discovered that 80% of profiles are faked. So there was no possibility to sell it or buy it to investors. It was like no-go zone. Since then, they made some improvement, like they want some money to be on the account, because it was funny that basically somebody with from Europe or from US with like 10,000 account is following somebody and copy pasting like strategy with somebody who has on account like 100 euro or $100, and he was managing like 5 million. So it was funny. So now they demand some amount on account, some minimum, I think like 5,000 or 10,000. But still, the marketing is great, like copy and make money on traders that are successful and so on. Problem is that they are not like professional traders, they are just like ordinary people, retail traders, and you can check it, all of them, like 100% of account, I don't want to say 100, but 100% of account are not profitable after 2-3 years. That's even the reason why the search is just 2 years, because they will have nobody to search if you just put there like I want to find just positive accounts. After 3 years there will be nobody. It's the same all this trick that banks use for hedge fund, how they market. But basically it was problem with this platform. I invest anyway just to try it and show it to you. They promote some certain traders. So I invest in them and I will show them 1 year later, 2 years later, and how they dump the account. Actually, I check it after 1.5 years, and some strategies are not even there. They promote as this should make you money. So in that time it was some biotech was up and so on. So they promoted heavily and it dumps a lot. So now it's not even on platform this, and one trader that I was following, it's not there after 1 year. So it's funny platform. Then I discover some discrepancies between what they show as results in traders, because I actually thought that I maybe even find one professional trader there, and he has like 3 years or 4 years he was positive. But what I discovered, that basically it's the trick I already saw once. They basically are positive, but on the fees they are losing, because there is some spread between buy and sell, and basically you as trader, you need to pay this commission, okay, between like bid and ask price. And on this they were losing. So in graph it looks perfect, or in table like he's in green numbers, but when you really trade it, you are losing on fees. So even this guy was losing money to real investors. And yeah, that's etoro. And the guy was asking if he should use it as a broker. So as a broker it's terrible, because you have big spreads, you have fees on like when you want to withdraw money. And I don't know, as a broker you have many better options, like interactive brokers we use for clients, like it's well established, long term, super safe broker to have their money, they will never get bankrupt. And if they are not, because I don't even check it, because we pay like $1 to buy big amount of stocks. If you buy stocks for 1 million and you pay $1, you don't care. Even if you buy stock for like um, like 10,000 euro, 1,000 euro or dollars, whatever. You could just pay $1 and you can hold it forever. So for us, it's perfect broker, much better than Robinhood, for example. And on this channel, I don't market any brokers. I don't have affiliate links. So it's really just we use Interactive because we trust them and they are super, almost like zero. And for us it's perfect because they have real account in every country and in every currency. So basically we can send their money in local currency for free and then change it on Forex. So for example, many brokers have problem because you need to, for example, send euro to their account in US dollars. So you lost on exchange rate like 4% or even 1%. If somebody say in the bank, one woman told me like, hey, but 1% it's not too much, no? And I was like, yeah, but on 1 million, 1% is my holiday for a week or something. So yes, 1% even lost on just exchange rate, it's a lot. You will send $100,000 and you will lost $1,000. I don't know, invite my girlfriend to a restaurant and it will be better than to pay it to the bank. So that's why we use Interactive brokers and because we trust them. And we are open to pay $1 for every. We are long-term investors, so we doesn't care. And back to dividends, it's actually an interesting question because he want to make dividend strategy, just buy dividend stocks, mean companies that pay every year or every quarter, every month they pay dividend. It's like percentage of profit. And basically the dividend tax paid directly the company in the state where they are located. We are in Europe, we pay taxes in Europe. They are in US, they pay taxes in US. And before they pay the dividend to your account, to your brokerage account or to your personal account, they always pay dividend. In my country it's 15%, so if the dividend is 100 euro, they will cut 15%. Okay, 15 euro, they directly send it and I will get the rest. So that's taxation, and yeah, in the form it's like non-taxable, income because it's already taxed. It will be the same in US, so you don't need to pay taxes from it. And to the strategy with dividends, it was years ago when I was checking it if it's worth it because it's so like, it's good to marketing, get dividends, but I check it and if you own broad market, it's better than dividends. So basically you are losing like 4% a year when you focus just on companies that pay dividend around 4, 5, 6, 7%. So your account is losing on performance overall because they don't make so strong growth as young companies. So the dividend strategy, for me, it's like I don't use it because for me it's better to pay myself from account every year 4% than to get a dividend. It's just faster growth of account.